think it's gonna keep falling over here.
Yeah. Does it? I think. Wait. Out.
Which one you said it is?
That joint, yeah. It was like green, like verde, lime green.
Very bright?
Yep, really bright. Yeah. Anywhere where they'll be able to see it. Because it's got the leche stuff, so it's like canned.
Oh, leche's right there too?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why I said like canned fruits and milk.
That's on the side.
No, you could just, we'll put canned at the top, and then you put leche at the bottom.
Can it?
Canned. See? You just don't know how good this is. But I got this shit together. Let me tell y'all. Let's get to that on. It's uno más. Bonita. Bonita. Just know it's a wrap. It's beautiful. So bad. I'm not supposed to use this, but this is like the Koreans, they use this when they eat soup. This is what I use to eat my soup. Días, amigos. So, I am at my suegra, my mother-in-law's house. I'm supposed to be sleeping in the bedroom, but I'm downstairs. I like to watch TV while I sleep. It's a new morning. I'm up early. I'm always the first to rise and the last to fall asleep. And I'm getting tired again though, because I did kind of stay up pretty late last night. As y'all see, I was doing the organization. But you'll be seeing in this video pretty much me organizing her pantry. And I'm sorry, I forgot the beginning, like the before photo. So I just have the after photo. You can see all the stuff that we put out. So Jonathan's hermanos, brothers, they helped me pull everything out, and I'm so grateful that they helped me do that, because at first I thought this was a job I could take on by myself, but no, it wasn't. Once we pulled everything out, if it wasn't for them, I probably would not have gotten so much done that I did. So I'm truly grateful for Sammy and Kenny for helping me. Even Sammy took and, like, I was about to say, you know, you can stop, you know, because it was my task, you know, something that I put together. I didn't want to make them do it, but he started sweeping and cleaning the floor and things like that. And I appreciated the boys. They helped me so much. Jonathan had got a promotion at his job that make him go to, he gets only 2 days off of work. My man, he works every day. Get you one. But anyways, he gets 2 days off, and it's Friday and Saturday. So it's been hard for us to kind of get rest, because think about it, you go 7 days a week, you come home, you still come, he comes because he know I cannot sleep by myself with her. Like, I get paranoid, I get scared. That's my fault, you know. So I don't want to sleep, and I'm always jumping up like, she okay, checking her breathing. So when he comes home, he'll take her and he'll let me sleep, right? So that's his mom, like, can we come have a slumber party over at the house, right? And she was like, of course. You know, I love her soup, right? It's the only thing I could eat while I was pregnant. So she nonstop, she's cooking. She stayed in the kitchen like 24 hours yesterday. And so I went to Dollar Tree. I should have vlogged that, you know. I suck at this vlogging situation, y'all. That's why I decided to just give it up, because it's kind of hard. Like, when I go somewhere out the country, or if I go out of state or whatever, it's hard for me to remember to record my every movement, because I be so excited about everything surrounding me that I forget to record it, you know. And then when it's time for me to put the videos together, that's when I realize, like, I really don't have any footage. So that's why as of late, you'll be seeing just like a whole bunch of random videos, because I'm not vlogging my life like I mean, well, as I should, you know. If a girl wanna be like Dear Taylor, you gotta like be strategic about it. But I watched her vlog this morning, and she said she's addressing everything, and I love the clickbait, boo. Love the clickbait. Because I'm like, are you gonna address the situation that happened where your best friend said that you messing with her girl? She didn't address none of that. She just said that her people said, how do you deal with people in their businesses? She said, well, I feel that vlogging, and this is how I feel about it, it's a business. It's like going to work, so you conduct yourself as such. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I decided to not do it as much, because being a mom, I cannot capture the beauty, the love, the feelings that I have on video. I can't. The moments, it's not, I can't capture. With that being said, you're gonna get what you get in this vlog. I don't know how many minutes it's gonna equal out to be, but I might be adding in a whole bunch of different stuff. You never know. But go ahead and enjoy my vlog. If you don't mind, like, subscribe, comment down below, and just know that I appreciate the people that do support me, and that's consistently supporting, even though, you know, 2 to 4 people that always put the down fingers. I know who you are. I would hate me too. Because y'all mad because you used to do this stuff with me. You used to do these kinds of things, and now you're mad because you just sitting out. But see, I should address that either. But we're gonna address it. I've been waiting for the moment, and this was the moment. So go ahead and enjoy my vlog, y'all. Boo. Hello. Hello. Hello.